right, man, 2026, we're hitting the ground running. A cool day, first work day of the year, and we have the oldest air-cooled VW I've ever worked on, 1943. And then right next to it, can't believe it, 2004 Mexico Beetle. Just a weird, rare opportunity to have these two cars at the shop at the same time, basically 61 years apart in manufacturer production. So it's always fun here. We always get new stuff. Love the VWs, man. We just went for a nice ride in this thing, and it's so fun and goofy with that 25 horsepower. And then you get in something that still smells like a brand new car. This thing has less than 100 miles on it.
Sweet.
Peace out. Happy 2026.
And this crash box is
A real crash box.
Explain the difference again about this transmission and a crash box that's in mine.
So basically, this has a lot of parts that are similar to what you see in other Volkswagens through the years, but it is completely different. Basically, you really have to know how to drive and time the gear shifts. There's no synchros in it. You basically have to come to a complete stop to downshift. You can go through first, second, third, and fourth accelerating, but once it's time to come back down, you either have to time it perfectly or come to a complete stop.
So slamming gears, basically. Yeah. Awesome. And everything is manual on this thing, pretty much. Cable-driven brakes.
A whopping 25 horsepower in this thing.
And you said you think this is one of the original motors, too? I could see some of the wording on there.
Yeah, as far as I can tell, I'm not a perfectionist on early 40s Volkswagens, but as far as I can tell, this thing is original as can be. I think it's a great story. The guy that bought it is a World War II aficionado, so this thing probably came out of a museum or somebody's collection, and he started driving it, and that's when he brought it to us. Was the transmission was having issues, the front suspension was having issues. And he's telling me, oh, the tires are wearing out, which means he's putting miles on it. We think that's really cool. So we basically rebuilt the transmission, and then the front had to be gone through. Same thing, can't buy parts, so I had to rely on a friend of mine, Dan, at Competition Engineering, help us find what we need or make what we need to get everything up to par so this gentleman can drive it.
Sweet.
You know, these are the brake lights.
Is there anything else you think that's on here that's unique?
As everybody knows, or early Beetles came with semaphores. This is this year's semaphore. Very similar to the Beetle semaphores, but not at all interchangeable. They are operated by a switch on the dash, not by a turn signal switch on the steering column.
That's cool. That's right. Sweet. And you all know what that's all about.
It's good for in Arizona.
Yeah. Yep. Sweet.